everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video I have some very easy budget-friendly home decor DIYs. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Alright you guys, I'm going to start with two of these Dollar Tree decor signs. I have had these for a while already, and every time I try to pick them up to do something, I always end up putting them back because I'm like, what do I do with these? Until today, I finally decided to get rid of them. So I'm going to start by removing the label. As you can see, it was kind of hard. I even tried the blow dryer method, but it was still really glued on there, I guess because it's been stored for a while. After I removed the stickers, there was still a lot of glue residue, so I did use a scent sheet to smooth it out. The next thing I will be using is some paint stir sticks. Now these are the quart ones. I did cut them, and some of them I'm upcycling because I don't have any more of these, and I'm going to just glue them in each corner, 2 in each corner to be exact. The way I am going to put my little shelves, because this is like a little shelf decor piece, is I'm going to put one of the decor signs upside down and the other one upwards. Now it's totally up to you, however you want them to be. You can do both of them going up or both of them going down, or the way I did it. Now once I had all of the paint sticks glued, I then glued the top piece, which I added hot glue to all of the little corners first, and then I added. I think that was the easiest way to do it. And this is how it looks. As you can see, one is going up and one is going down, so it's totally up to you how you want to glue your shelves. Now I'm going to just paint the entire thing using some white chalk paint. And that is it for this shelf. I think it turned out beautiful. For my next DIY, I'm going to do a little decor sign that you can use on your shelf. Now I am using this Dollar General decor sign, but Dollar Tree carries so many different signs that you can use. I am going to start by removing some glue that it had here. I think this had a wreath on there, but when I bought mine, it didn't have it, so I did get mine for cheaper. I think it was 50 cents or 75 cents. I don't remember. So once I had that removed, I then went ahead and painted the frame, just make it a little bit darker using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once I was finished, I then covered the O using some white chalk paint. I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. Now I'm going to make a wreath using some of the Dollar Tree jute wire cord, and I'm going to use this little family sign. It's a laser cutout that I got from the Dollar Tree. 3 come in a pack. I did grab this that has family. I think I grabbed one that says love and forever. So I'm going to start by just making my wreath, and I did get the little family sign just so I can measure it so my wreath is bigger than that. Once I had made the circle, I then used some of the greenery that I will be using for my other DIYs to get 2 leaves and then just glue them at the bottom. I made a bow using some Michael's ribbon, and I'm going to add it in the center. And look how beautiful the wreath is. Now I'm going to glue everything to my sign, starting with the family sign and then the wreath. And that is it for this beautiful small decor sign. For my next DIY, I'm going to use one of the Dollar Tree decor signs. I'm going to start by removing the label. The sticker left some glue residue, so I'm going to smooth it out using a Dollar Tree scent sheet. Now the next thing I will be doing is painting this using some white chalk paint. I did dry brush this to make it look more washed out and old. Then I'm going to use a Dollar Tree wood crate that I'm going to paint with a Waverly Antique Wax. Once it's dry, I'm going to glue it to the bottom. Now I glued it on the bottom of the side where the holes are at just because I want to cover those, but you can do it on the other side so then you can use the holes to make a little hanger. And I'm using some hot glue to glue this. For the greenery, I'm going to use this one that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to cut all the stems off and then I'm going to use a piece of juice string to tie them all together, and then I'm going to add them inside the little crate. To decorate it a little more, I'm going to make a jute bow and then tie it at the top. Once I am done, I'm going to just add a home sign. I first was planning on using this family sign that I had, but then I switched it. So that is it for this beautiful home decor sign. I think it turned out so beautiful and I just love this Dollar Tree greenery. For my next DIY, I'm going to use a Dollar Tree wood crate and this little wood sign. I did take it apart because the back side was like the smooth side and the front side was like the rough side. So all I'm doing is just switching them around. And I did have to remove the sticker and the staples that it came with. I then used some hot glue to put it back together. And now it looks so much better and the paint is going to go a lot smoother. Now the next thing I will be doing is just removing some of the little wood planks from the wood crate, just 2 of them. And then I'm going to glue the little sign in the back of the crate. I am using hot glue, but you can use wood glue if you like. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to paint the entire thing using white chalk paint. I'm using another Dollar Tree laser cutout and I'm using the word that says love, and I'm going to add it to my little sign. You can totally add whatever you like. I was actually planning on using this or making this in the fall, but I was like, you know what? I can just revamp it when fall comes around. Now I'm going to show you what I did for the little buckets. I'm using these little wedding buckets that I got from the Dollar Tree to come in the pack, and I'm going to use some jute cord to just wrap it around the top part. Next, I'm going to make a bow using the jute cord and add it to the front. Oh my god, look how cute the bucket looks. Now the next thing I will be adding is some of these Dollar Tree floral foam. I have these leftover pieces, so I'm going to just cut a small little piece and add it inside the bucket. I'm going to start by using some of this greenery that I picked up from Walmart. I'm going to take some leaves off and then put them all around the bucket. I then went ahead and cut some little stem parts off and then add some leaves to the little stem part. And like that, have two of these little ones, then add them inside the bucket. I think it made it look so much fuller like this. And I will be doing that to another bucket so I can have a total of two because they fit perfectly in the little crate. And that is it, guys. I think this turned out so beautiful and the little buckets look so cute. And that is it, guys. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.